Breaking news. The Young Dolph murder trial started today with the last co-defendant, Gotti. And let me tell you, opening statements has already revealed a very explosive accusation. Before I give you the clip of the explosive accusation that just came down during the opening statements of the Young Dolph murder trial, let me give you a little bit of background. These three men were accused, charged. Some have been convicted, and we have one, Gotti, was the mastermind. Gotti was friends with Big Juke, who is Yo Gotti's big brother, who hated Young Dolph, and is being held as the individual who put out the $100,000 hit on Young Dolph. Everybody knows the beef between Yo Gotti and Young Dolph. Justin Johnson was convicted last year of the unaliving of Young Dolph. Cornelius testified on the state's behalf against Justin Johnson, putting him there, putting Gotti as the ringleader, and also identifying the individual who put out the hit on Young Dolph. But none of that amounts to the explosive accusation that Gotti's lawyer made during his opening statements. Here it is.
And just because he's a nobody and doesn't have money like Gotti or Juke, his brother, who never even questioned or charged, he's the fall guy in all this stuff. He didn't do anything. He didn't believe Cornelius. All he says is, I just happened to show up there and he said, hey, this is a little seat. Juke took over and started doing all the talking. Do you think that man could pay somebody $100,000 and you'd say, yeah, he's good for it, I don't need any validation, he's good for it?
Not only did Gotti's lawyer reference CMG, but he put responsibility solely on Juke and Yo Gotti as a collective. You know why he did that? The same reason why the feds wanted to make sure the evidence in Gotti's trial was going to be sealed from us being able to see it, because I believe that they have an active investigation for RICO on CMG for the unaliving of Young Dolph. We all know that Juke was ultimately unalived. No one has been caught for the unaliving of Yo Gotti's brother. However, we did see that Yo Gotti went mute and off the grid even during Young Dolph's murder trial, where Justin Johnson's case had to go before a court that ultimately found him guilty. However, Yo Gotti just came back into the chat. He has entered the chat as of last Friday. He came out with a song with one of his artists, Billionaire Dolph. I want y'all to hear it and tell me if you hear what I heard.
$1 million phone, $30 million home, $250,000 whip, 2 carats in a stone. Breaking news, he back singer, hoes won't leave a nigga alone. I've been buying burgers like they Gucci. Am I wrong? Pull a bow on that bitch and let her pop out. I'm a plea on your dog, that's a cop out. Nigga, if you don't get the picture, you get cropped out. Tuesday, Thursday, the knocks out, it's hot out. They thought I retired, oh I lied. Oh, they thought I went down on her, I survived. It was to the stand and make they me wanna mad, I wanna have a look.
I don't know about y'all, but them sound like some admissions to me that can and will be used against him in a court of law or a federal investigation. What y'all think?